Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your mydish.com account. To log into your existing mydish.com account is a straightforward process, so let's dive into the video. First of all, open your web browser and then in the URL box type in my.dish.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for MyDish. Once you get to the official page, click on the human icon at the top right corner. In the sign in area, type in your username and password associated with your MyDish account. While typing in your credential, make sure it is correct. If you don't remember your sign-in credential, click on Having Trouble Signing In and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click on Sign In and you will be able to log into your mydish.com account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.